Hello, I've missed everyone. This is Homestead on a Shoestring, and I just want to let you know what I've been up to. And this is going to be very brief, but I just want to let you see. This is another storage unit that we are still in the process of making. It's not finished yet. How long would you say that you've been working on this?
So far, off and on, probably 2 months.
2 months, okay. And about how much would you say that this has cost us?
So far, probably $100 invested.
$100, because the wood was free, right?
The wood was free. Most of it.
And most of it was free. And I love up here you have actual glass, right?
Yeah, that's a window that I made from scratch.
You made that from scratch. See, I'm not gonna lie, everyone, I have not been involved in this particular project. This has been my husband the whole way. For those who are unfamiliar, this is a channel about how we get by. We're a family of 4 on 1 income. And this is the skills. My husband is not a carpenter. He has a 9-to-5 type of job, and this is what we do when we have free time, which is why my content is going to be limited to what I'm actually doing. And the progress so far, how, you said 9 feet?
About 9 feet. The walls are 9 feet. And to the ceiling, probably 14.
I think I'm going to take this over as a she shed, a place to go to get away from the kids. So tell me, honey, what's your intent for the rest of it? I think you mentioned having a porch.
Yeah, there should be a porch coming out to the right here, out to the front. But also the main purpose of it is to do woodworking out of projects and store wood as well. On the side, another addition to it for the fireplace.
Okay, so like I remember you telling me we're gonna use this to store wood. You're gonna have extra supplies. We have so much tools. Don't judge. We try our best to make sure the elements don't get to it because we got really good deals. We have to travel for good deals, but we've gotten really good deals. This is the inside so far. And are we doing installation? Let's see this.
If it's going to be inhabited, then yes. But right now, no.
Okay.
The flooring is insulated already, though.
Oh, you already, wow. I really have been asleep.
Now we don't have to go back and retroactively insulate.
Okay. And this, what you're seeing in front of me right now, the space that this shed is in, look just like that. I'm telling you, this is very wild, raw land still to this day. Ugh, that was a big step. And so I'm gonna come around. And about how, what's the size in here?
This is see the size of the building, the footprint.
Yeah, what's the footprint?
It is I think 12 by 8.
A 12 by 8, okay. And this is the back of it. This is January and we're supposed to hit 87 degrees, y'all. This is Texas, so I don't mind too much. I don't mind having a break. We've been collecting our wood, a lot of fallen trees back here. Had one here the other day. Got my chainsaw out, chopped that up. In fact, some stumps are all back there still. I need to grab that. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's okay because it's all about this shed. And what are you going to do with the rooftop again? Are you going to put metal up there?
Yes, it's going to be sheet metal.
Okay, sheet metal. Yeah, I like this. So is it going to still have this raw look going on right here that I see?
Now it's going to be painted a weather protectant paint.
Weather protectant paint. Okay. Well, that's what I want to show you for now. Let you know I'm not dead. That I didn't forget keeping up with my updates. But like I said, we're on a budget. You got to wait for that money to come and then add it in there. So that's what we did. We waited for the money to come. Only needed, like what he said, $100. It's not on the ground, as you can see. Let me see if I can get a little closer. Not on the ground. And yeah, so that's the update. This is the new and improved shed. And I like the idea that he's going all out to put a porch. So it's like a separate thing from the house. We can come down here, do work, and go back in. On the inside, he's making an effort to have it look more presentable than the other one. It's like a little small house is how I looked at it. So that's what's going on so far in the homestead. I hope you all are having a wonderful time creating your home. Don't feel rushed by other people's content. I know it's hard. It's hard when it seems like everybody gets it done in like 2 years. They have the house of your dreams, but this is real life. If you don't want to go into debt, we don't want to go into debt. Been there, done that. We don't want that. We want to make sure that we keep everything within our budget or below. I love how tall. I really wanted this for our house on our main house, was to have high ceilings like that, high windows like that. But if I have to take it in this tiny house size building, that is okay, because we plan on decking it out in here, having shelves. I'm already impressed that he has the floors down. Just scraps, you guys. And the things that you can buy, you save up for it, so you're not deprived from other things that are more important in life, such as food, taking care of your children, your family, all that stuff. But I will say recently, and I can comment on it more later, that I saw a video of a family that they just say they're giving up on homestead life. They couldn't make it work. And I'm curious. I'll probably look more into that video. I'm curious to what makes people just quit on homestead, especially here. People are running from Houston, running, and they're coming out into the country. And I know that because they're creating apartments for them. And I'm thinking, I don't want to look over across the street and see a big old apartment. I already have to look and see a highway right now, but that's beneficial, so I'm gonna let that slide. But I came out here to enjoy peace, quiet. I don't want people up in my face. I don't want to see my neighbors all the time. And that's what I'm thankful that we have. So this is still what we have to clear out. Still lots of wood. I love the trees. Some of them are dead. They like over there. That will be in our fireplace this year. So I hope everyone's staying safe, staying positive, being motivated. If you find something that keeps you encouraged, keep watching it. Keep being made aware. I still get ideas. Even though I've been on this property for over 7 years now, officially, I still love watching people get their stuff, and you could tell that they took their time with it. It wasn't just put up in a day. My next project is figuring out what I'm gonna make for our garden. But this is my husband all the way. Put this together. It's been a couple months. Got our neighbors, roosters over here pecking away at our styrofoam and making a mess. But yeah, so that's what's going on. I hope you all, again, are having a great time in your homestead life and not allowing anyone to rush you or interfere with your happiness, and having a nice carefree life in your own space. So have a great day.